All right, it is the beginning of week 3. What are we doing today?
Apples. Applesauce. Some of our apples have seen better days, so let's
Cook them.
I need some apple cutters.
That means you. People, we need people to cut apples. Let's go. No. You get to hold a knife. All right, so what do? Just cut them into quarters? So cut into quarters like such. Then take the seeds out because the seeds will make the applesauce bitter, I'm told.
We're gonna leave the peel on because that's the lazy way to do it.
And that's where the fiber and the flavor comes from what I'm told.
The color, it's gonna be pink. You know what, we might want to take
The tags
stickers off.
Remove the stickers.
There's Spartan apples and...
This is Sparta!
And Macintosh. This is Macintosh. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So what is the safety hack for not getting your fingers cut?
Put your fingers on top.
So,
How do
how are you feeling about this quarantine business?
we... Not good. I want a bite instead.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Hand on top, push down, there you go. What are you gonna remember most about this period of humanity?
Learning how to bike.
Beautiful.
Beautiful!
Smells like apple. Okay, what's the next step in making homemade applesauce?
Just a little bit of water, not much.
We could probably just use regular sink water and not the actual Brita filtered water, but okay.
Okay,
Nice. Cinnamon, don't put too much cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon, water, then what?
that's it.
And then you just what? What? It's not.
That's not applesauce.
Just let it cook.
And what? So you let it boil.
My tongue out.
And then it breaks down all the sugars in the apple. Okay, we want to see if we can get a time lapse of this process. I don't think we can.
Boom.
Okay, you put on pause. You want to see the mashing of the applesauce? This is the final step of the applesauce. Okay.
We've lost control.
So it has been boiling for a little over an hour, and we added water,
Simmering.
simmering, and now we're blending it. What's this pot of sloth behind here? Oh, we're making soup from old chicken bones, dude. This is awesome. Okay.
That's the next video.
B-roll. Do you want to explain to the camera how you are cutting the cucumber safely? That's a big piece of cucumber you just put in your mouth.
We basically got a single layer
Okay,
of
good. Cut that in half.
and trying to swim with them.
Good.
That's better. Safety first.
It's super smooth, but leave it a little chunky like Grandma used to make it. You want to taste? It's applesauce. Just taste it and see if you like it. And I'll put all the... Oh, he's going down. He's going down. You lose it. Now it's going to your sister. You're not going to taste the applesauce either? Okay, so here's the actual taste test. What you want to do with applesauce is you want to smell it. It's got a little sweet cinnamon smell. You don't want to swallow it right away. You want to rinse it on your mouth. Texture is good. Did you add sugar to this?
No.
Impossible.
Delicious.
Nutritious.
Got a little piece of skin in the back of my throat. Whatever, that's where the fiber is.
My grandmother used to have this thing where you put the applesauce in and then you spin it around and the applesauce would go through. If we had one of those, that'd be great, but we don't. You could also put it through like a strainer.
It's delicious.
Terrible. Terrible.